FEIC Watch FK038 Operation Instructions Button Function Instruction on the digital subdial Button A Backlight Button B Function Mode Button C Date Button D Pull out the crown. Adjust clockwise, the time increases. Counterclockwise, the time decreases. On-off the countdown. Standard time display. Press button B to enter countdown mode. Press button C to start or pause. Press button D to clear records. Press button B to return to standard time display. Alarm setting. Standard time display. Press button B twice to enter alarm mode. Press button C to adjust. Press button D to switch to set minutes or hours. Press button B to return to standard time display. Cancel alarm. Press C and D buttons at the same time to cancel. Time setting on digital subdial time. Calendar and weekday. Standard time display. Press button B 3 times to enter time setting mode. Second value will flicker. Press button D to switch in sequence. Seconds, minutes, hours, day, month and weekday. Press button C to adjust. Press button B to return to standard time display.